Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, April 14th, 2011. Today we had a total of 5 executable trade signals for a max potential of 40 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, shortly after the open, we had this large move down in the overnight session, and as soon as we opened, we actually had a signal to get long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 8 ticks, and then we quickly came down underneath our moving average, had a signal to get short. It was one of those situations where it came up to our entry level, only one candle, so I'm going to count that as a no fill. It went on to hit its T2, but with just that touch of the one candle, no chance of really being filled on that trade, so we're going to count that as a no fill. The market went down and put in a low at 12.98 and a quarter, came bouncing off of that level and came through our moving average, gave a nice quick extension entry to the upside, ended up hitting targets 1 and targets 2 as it passed through the open for 8 ticks. Came back for a nice little kiss and go off of our moving average, ended up continuing to climb higher throughout a good portion of the morning, made it up, filled our half gap, kind of consolidated a little bit sideways there for a bit, and then ultimately came down through our moving average, gave a signal to the downside which produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 7 ticks that was ultimately filled during the lunchtime dead zone. Now, we do not initiate any new trades during the dead zone. That's the red area you see on the chart here between 11:30 and 1:15. You can see the market continued its upward movement coming out of the dead zone. We actually had a signal to get short right around 145 or so. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 6 ticks. Found support around 1306, bounced again, gave a nice full swing with a signal entry as it came back to our moving average after briefly touching the 4 p.m. close, filling the gap. Gave a signal long which produced targets 1 and targets 2 for another 11 ticks to the upside. So just an incredible technical day for us. We had a lot of signals, just one of them in there as a no fill, but the rest ended up working out. We had 5 trades for 40 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.